Oppo has launched the F7 in India, its follow-up selfie expert smartphone to last year's F5. Now we've spent some time with the new smartphone and here's what we think. Now before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have new videos. The main highlight continues to be the selfie camera, and this time it's gotten a 25 megapixel Sony sensor with AI functionality woven into the app, which is supposed to determine your gender, age, and skin tone and apply the right level of beautification. The camera also boasts of real-time HDR functionality, which shows you what your shot will look like before you take it. There are also AR stickers which you can have a little fun with. Now thanks to the near bezel-less design, the F7 features a 6.23-inch 19:9 display, which is quite comfortable to use with one hand. Of course, reaching the notification shade is still a bit of a reach, and the phone has a rectangular cutout or a notch on the top. The display seems fairly vibrant and viewing angles are not too bad. The phone is incredibly light too, due to its plastic construction, but there's a piece of what seems to be acrylic at the back which creates some cool light refractions. Now Oppo has taken good advantage of this in the Diamond Black edition, which mimics the surface of a diamond. On the downside, it is a big fingerprint magnet no matter which color you pick, and even the sides have a glossy finish, which would make it tough to keep clean. The F7 also has a dedicated microSD card slot and supports 2 nano SIM cards. Now, the F7 is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core SoC and comes with either 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. For software, you get ColorOS 5.0, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The interface runs smoothly when we tried it, although we are not big fans of the chunky app icons. You also get a 3400 mAh inbuilt battery here. The F7 is priced at 21,990 rupees for the 4GB version that comes in Solar Red and Moonlight Silver color trims, and 26,990 rupees for the 6GB version that comes in Diamond Black and Sunrise Red color options. Stay tuned for a full review coming up soon, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.